Frying foods with air? What kind of sorcery is this? What's up guys, I'm Devin Howard. Welcome back to another episode of Unbox This. If you're not following me on Instagram, you can find me there as @DevinHoward. I am super excited, you guys. This is a very special episode because this is our 100th episode of Unbox This. And to celebrate, we're unboxing a super-sized air fryer and giving you a super-sized discount. From my very first episode of Unbox This, when we were still working with that red brick wall, glad we switched that up, to the time I exercised my magical abilities when making my exit from the show, to the many times I struggled and struggled to get giant products out of their boxes. Your support throughout these 100 episodes has been so amazing, so I decided to give you guys a little gift in the form of a big discount. The Rosewill Air Fryer Convection toaster oven is massive and can handle a wide variety of cooking tasks, so your game nights can be fueled by deliciously air-fried foods. Air frying your meals is a great way to get the crispiness you want without added oils. If your New Year's resolution is to eat a little bit healthier, an air fryer can definitely help you get there. So let's take this out of the box, my friends. This is my 100th time saying this. It is time to unbox this. I feel like this is gonna be one of those times I do struggle to get the product out of the box, but it wouldn't be an episode of Unbox This if I wasn't dealing with that. So let's do it. What do you know? I was right about struggling with this one. Whoa. Whoa. That could have been a disaster. All right, so we have it out of the box. This is a hefty toaster oven. We can make some really delicious snacks in here. So let's talk about it, you guys. The Rosewill Air Fryer Convection toaster oven has a 26.4 quart capacity. It can fit a 13-pound chicken, 26 wings, or a 12-inch pizza. Dinner is sorted in one easy step with this guy. It comes with 10 different cooking presets based on what you're heating up. You can set your fryer to work specifically for French fries, chicken wings, steak, pizza, vegetables, and toast, as well as set it to broil, bake, roast, and dehydrate. Everything from your breakfast, lunch, and dinner can be tossed into this air fryer. Making toast for a family of 6? That's easy to do with this. Want to dehydrate some carrots to turn into healthy chips? No problemo with the Rosewill Air Fryer. Roasting some veggies? The roast function has you covered. The delay timer allows you to set your fryer to start up to 12 hours in advance. Set it before you leave for work and it'll preheat at your desired time when you get home. And then when you're all done, you can easily clean up your air fryer with the crumb tray. To celebrate our 100th episode, I decided to throw the ultimate gamer party with some vegan pizza rolls, some veggie chicken nuggets. I've got some waffle fries I'm gonna heat up here and some veggie spring rolls, and I'm gonna have the Newegg Studios crew taste test these air fried treats. Let's do it. I hope you're hungry. Okay, let's get these treats into the air fryer. Here we have pizza rolls and vegetable rolls. All right, you guys, our air fried foods are just about done, and I have the Newegg Studios team ready to taste test some of these delicious treats, so let's pull them out of the oven. Ooh, that crunch.
Very crunchy. It is good.
Mmm.
Yum.
Cheers to 100 episodes! Ooh, hot.
very crispy.
Mm-hmm. Delicious though. I'm taste testing everything. Those are really yummy.
Yeah.
I'm still eating a pizza roll.
It's like from a restaurant.
Mm-hmm.
I like it.
Very hot. Whoa, very hot. Very good. That's good. They're crispy and warm, but not like burnt or anything.
Good.
Loving it.
Yay.
Thank you.
Yoink. Ooh.
Ooh.
Mmm.
What do you think?
Alright, I like it.
Yeah?
I think it's good. I don't even taste the oil really.
Yeah, because there's no added oil.
What?
Yeah.
I can't believe there's no oil. Oh my god.
Is it good?
I'll never eat meat again.
Take a waffle fry.
For free?
Yeah. Professor Science approved.
You know, I like to eat. This is vegan? It's amazing.
Very crispy. I like the texture.
This ain't vegan.
Yeah.
That's how I look at food, but
I'm convinced that owning an air fryer makes you a superior person. So join the Cool Kids Club, you guys. We are giving you $50 off your Rosewill Air Fryer, plus you're going to get a $20 Newegg gift card. This is only available for the first 100 customers, so act quickly. If you missed out on the deal, but you still want to add an air fryer to your kitchen setup, shop the link in the description. Let me know what kinds of foods you'd cook in your air fryer in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell. I'm Devin Howard. Thanks for watching, and we just unboxed this. Thanks for being here for 100 episodes, you guys. Your support has been amazing. I love you all. Bye!